Oh, hello.
Today we are gonna talk about Amazon Prime original series Hannah. Season 2 of Hannah was released just a day ago and it was received with open arms. Amazon Studios has announced that it has ordered a third season of Hannah. Let's talk about what can we expect from season 3. Hannah's executive producer David Farr said this in a press release: "I am absolutely thrilled to be able to give Hannah a third season. When we set out on this journey, I had in my mind a drama that would excavate Hannah's past, challenge her in entirely new ways and answer the question, can she ever belong? I'm truly grateful to Amazon and NBCU that we are able to continue that vision. I'm also deeply indebted to Esme Creed Miles and to Enos for their continuing commitment and enormous talent as we take Hannah and Marissa into new and unexplored terrain. It's going to be an exciting third act." The season 2 had much more thriller than season 1, while still giving us the next chapter of Hannah's story. The cast of the show was asked what they would like in season 3 in terms of character development and story direction. While Esme Creed Miles, who's starring as Hannah, did not have any specific directions that she would like the show to take, she did say that, "I'd love to see Hannah eventually at some point return back to nature. I mean, as challenging as it is to shoot in the wilderness, I definitely feel an affinity with that, and I love that part of who she is. I can't really imagine her truthfully anywhere else being really content." As from the movie and the first season of Hannah, we saw that she spends her first 16 years in the wilderness of Poland, only with her father Eric. This shows us that Hannah is very comfortable there and feels safe, which is why she brings Clara back to the wilderness to keep her safe even though she wants to explore the world. At the same time, when Enos was asked the same question, she said that, I think it is true for every actor. We are always curious about our origin story, and of course this show is about Hannah, but if there's any time in season 3 to talk about her origin story, I think it would be very interesting as the story moves towards whatever their trajectory is. Eric's trajectory, he gave up his life for Hannah and we got to see some of where he came from. And anyway, selfishly, I would love to know what drives her. I think her saying that shows the experience of acting for long and that she knows how to keep the audience engaged, because there are only so many ways that one can stretch the Hannah story, and introducing new character and working on that is also not so good idea. Why not explore the origin of already established characters and tell us the story from a different point of view? This type of storytelling is the main reason behind why sometimes the audience starts to empathize with the villain more, for example. Also, we do know about Marissa Wiegler and some flashbacks of her past, but I think the showrunners can do much with that. So Dermot Mulroney was asked what are the odds that his character Carmichael will survive the third season, and he replied, "I don't know. I'm so intrigued. I do know there is a key line, so beautifully placed and written in its simplicity. I won't get it exactly, but right at the end where Marissa says, 'I'm in charge now,' if nothing else, that determines for me that the tables will be turned for Carmichael. Were season 3 to come. You know what I mean? If his story goes on, it will be 120 degrees different from where season 2 started. So it's already massively intriguing for me to think, how does he do when he's behind the 8 ball instead of in front of the program?" So all in all, I think this show has so much potential as we aren't seeing some mythical powers bestowed on a teenager or teen drama here as much. But we are actually seeing that she worked hard and trained for years to be what she is. So that was all that we can expect from season 3 of Hannah. Here is a video explaining ending of season 2 of Hannah.